How's it going? My name is Evan Penny with Fraser Roofing in Dublin, Georgia. I'm here off of Highway 19 at the home of Mr. Larry and Lavada Bolton. I met the adjuster out here a few weeks ago. He, I believe, has written up an estimate for 30 plus wind damage shingles. I've got a couple of those marked up here on the back slope. I've also drawn a square around the repair area, a couple of rows above the wind damage, and a few shingles to the left and to the right. Shadows on this one here. I'll try to get off. There's a piece of this one missing here where it's ripped off. There's also a crease along the top. Both of these are also loose as well. These shingles have a lot of vertical tears where it seems that on the edges they try to stay glued down, as the other portion of the shingle, met the resistance of the glued down portion and would make a tear, like right here. I'm going to start by trying to pry these loose to the left and to the left of the wind damaged shingles here. Pry these loose to see if I can access the nails and remove the nails without causing any damage to the other shingles. It's already loose here on the edge. Oh, and already, I'm just gliding along. Just a slight little tear there. And make a mark of that. If this happens a few more times, I'm going to go ahead and stop it early, as I don't want to tear up the roof. But this roof is pretty old, and the sun's just here above me, so it's directly impacting this lower pitch slope. Loose there. Oh, I couldn't be more gentle. There's another tear already in the same shingle. Oh my, those are so brittle. Just trying to see where the nails are underneath. I can just feel all the tension on this brittle top portion of the shingle here. It's going to want to make a crease for sure, but I'll try to access the nails. Oh, that spot just tore even more. I'm going to leave this one be, being that there's already 2 failure marks on it. I'm going to go up to the next one, try to successfully, from start to finish, remove the nails. Ooh, that's so thin right there. Make sure my shadow's out of the way for you here. Alright. Got that one loose. Just above it. Start on this end for you. Make sure this Just gliding along there and just tore another spot. Oh, all right, that's the last try. I was just going to try to break loose these rows to the left and go ahead and replace these shingles. But after four punctures there, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just trying to get these loose to the left of these two. We were, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you got X, check, X, X. That is failure 75% of the time on trying to repair these shingles on this house, on this roof. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a close-up view of all these tear marks. Right there was a puncture. Right here, there was a tear. Should be pretty obvious. Another tear right there in the process of prying this one loose. Another puncture right here in the center. And here are the shingles we initially intended to repair. Corner of that one was blown off. Here it is. I've been trying to leave it nearby since I first saw this roof about 2 months ago. This one has some creasing all on the top here. Broken loose. Another one that's got creases on it and unsealed. There's plenty of those out here. Creases all along the tops of most of these. My name is Evan Penny with Fraser Roofing in Dublin, Georgia. My phone number is 478-279-7349. Please feel free to call me if you have any questions. But at this time, we believe this roof is not repairable. We'd recommend replacing it in full to tend to this wind damage on the back slope, which is quite abundant. Thank you. Have a blessed day.